Raining hard as balls. Take two, I guess. Got green lights that aren't actually green. Yep. My cat food might be turning to fucking mush. No, but I'm gonna keep that shit over here. Put the water over here. I'd get this more on that motherfucker. Wet little feet. Wet little feet. It's raining like a mofo, as you can hear. It's 10 o'clock. Ain't tired in a bit. And it's fucking raining. At least in here it's a bit quiet. It is a bit quieter. It's now it's time for the light show. Ho ho ho. Ah! Oh, I'm just fucking with you. Ah! Oh boy. Alright. Well, I guess that's the end of this lame video. Bye, kiddos.